Dr. Queen, number 10. I know the film, the movie. Black Pants, number 6. Captain Maroi, number 2. The Rock, number 1, The Rock. Dwight Jensen, Superman, number 3. Spider-Man, number 9. Black Windows, number 7. Ironman, 8. Scarlett O'Hara, number 5, and number 4 is, let's see, Wolfenstein.